Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner. And today I have my Sadie Stickers monthly subscription to open with you guys. This is a really fun subscription and I can't wait to get into it. But before we do, let's kind of go over the basics of this kit. So it is a $25 monthly reoccurring charge if you choose to get it that way. That is not including shipping. So including shipping to me in the US, this cost me $30.67. I'm sure if you're overseas, it would cost more, but that is what it cost me. Each subscription comes with a deluxe 6-page kit with exclusive artwork. Now, the wording doesn't tell you what's in that 6-page kit, but in the past, it has been a 4-page kit similar to the format in her shop, plus a journaling page and a floral page. It's a really good value. If you want the breakdown of that, I'm going to go ahead and link a video up above for you guys so you can check it out. So last couple of details. It is billed on the 15th of the month and then ships the following month at the beginning of the month. It doesn't have an exact ship date because, you have weekends and it depends on how everything else is going for them. But know that when you get your kit, it is actually the previous month kit. Today is the beginning of June, but this is May's kit. Other information you guys need to know, you can get blocks of these kits opposed to the reoccurring fee. And you can also buy one-time only kits, which are a little bit more. The big blocks are less. They are not reoccurring. So you can buy a 3, 6, or 12-month block, but they do not renew. You'd have to go back in and purchase those again. So with all of that being said, let's get into this kit and see what this month looks like. She always gives us a little sneak peek up on her website, and I think it's usually on Instagram too, but don't quote me on that. And this month it had like these peachy tones and pink, and we had a breakfast scene. It had a really cute quote about enjoying every moment, and I just think it's going to be really cute. So let's see. If you do not want your surprise for your own subscription to be ruined, go ahead and click off, come back later, whatever you need to do. And I'm going to go ahead and reveal this now, so I don't want to spoil anybody's anything. All right, here we go, guys. Ooh, we have foil again this month. She did this last month and I thought it was amazing. So it's kind of a bonus. Just take it out of its little protective sleeve there, and I'll flip those over so everything's kind of going the same way. So we do have rose gold this month. And of course, as I said, it's May. That's how she labels her kits. So it's easy to make sure you know which month you have. This is the breakfast scene we saw on her vision board that she puts up. The colors are really nice. And we also had a picture of this drink. And here's the quote. Very cute. This one is maybe a little less me, but I still like it. I think it's really cute. It kind of makes me think of like Mother's Day for some reason, with the little tray of food in bed and the flower and everything. I mean, you don't have to use it for Mother's Day. It's just what my initial thoughts are. Really cute. I do really like this kind of pillow on the bed and everything, and the journaling stuff along with the slippers. It kind of screams self-care to me. Really cute. Page 2 is our functional page. So we have these scalloped half circles at the top. We have half boxes, and these are, I think, third boxes and then fourth boxes. And then you have all of the variety down here with the square boxes and the midi boxes. Super fun, super functional. Next, we have all of our headers here on the side. We have some page flags here with bow checklist, and we also have our Monday through Sunday and a checklist box, which are really nice. You have your habit trackers. You have a couple of flags. I love the florals, how they just go so well with the colors she chose, and you almost have like a watercolor wash effect here on the boxes. I don't know how well that comes across on camera, but you have like the lighter portions over here. It's not a solid color. You also have some layering elements through here, which are really nice. Then we have our, of course, bottom washi here with, I think it's Rachel of Gathered Plans who calls this like fuzzy foil. I could be wrong, but somebody calls it fuzzy foil. I'm trying to get better on who says what. And then we also have our days of the week. These are actually kiss cut out this month, which I think is going to be fun to play with. And then we have a couple more functional boxes down here at the bottom. Love this one with the florals. And then we have a couple of unique kind of headers in here too. This would be the journaling kit, and it is on the premium mat. She does offer also the transparent mat for these. And I keep on going back and forth about which one I really like, because sometimes the transparent is so see-through that you almost can't see it's there. So it just depends on the color. So I'm kind of happy to have it in matte for these particular colors. I love how we have the floral here and she's cut around it and everything. I adore these boxes here. They're probably my favorites. And then of course we have some circles here as well. We have a little bit of deco, not much, but that's okay. And lots of these little swatches that are really popular right now, as well as some torn page elements down here. Then we have a page of all of her florals. This might be my favorite page in the whole kit, just because it's so versatile. So I know if I don't use all of this with this kit, I can easily use it with another kit, which is really nice. And I do think the colors that she chose this month are really pretty. I love that we have a variety of like these small florals here, as well as bigger ones. We also have the individual flowers that you can kind of add on or just have one there. That's really nice. You can have these ones with a little bit of greenery. Now, we're not seeing any individual greenery, which makes it harder to make your own bouquet, but I do like the elements that we have, and we have lots of bouquets to choose from. And then our kind of bonus is this page. So we have these line dividers here. I really like the one with the scallop. And I was trying to see if they're kiss cut. Yes, it looks like they are there. And then we have all of these dots here. This was a $2 Tuesday that she did. She did pages where you could just get the 1 dot, the 2, 3, and so on. And those seem to be really popular. I'm still working on working them into my spreads, so it's nice to have some to kind of play around with. And then you do have some floral elements down here, mostly looking like leaves. So maybe you're supposed to combine these foiled leaves with the flowers here to make your bouquets. That could work really well. So that's everything that's in the kit this month. I can't wait to try it out and use this one. It'll be a lot of fun. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Again, if you guys have any questions or anything of that nature, go ahead and hit me up down in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.